Today I am going to show you how to assemble a fully disassembled Rubik's Cube. I am not gonna chit chat much, so let's get into the tutorial. First of all, find 4 edge pieces that includes white in it. Now place it beside the white centerpiece matching their side colors. Now find 4 corner pieces that includes white in it. Now place the corner pieces in the slot matching their side colors. Now take the second layer edge pieces and place them matching their side colors into the slot. Repeat it until the second layer is fully finished. Second layer is done. Now moving on to the top layer. First, take any edge piece that includes yellow in it. Place it yellow facing upwards. Now take the next corner piece and place it side to the edge piece. Rotate the right layer a little bit for make it much easier. Now take the next edge piece and place it yellow facing upwards. Repeat this process until the final piece. For the last piece, rotate the top layer 45 degrees for making it much easier, and now we are done. Subscribe for more.